Hey man, just giving you a quick call. I just wanted to let you know that you are so close, dude. You're so much closer than you think. A lot of these big goals that we've had and these big aspirations, they're right around the corner for you, dude. So you just cannot give up. So stoked for you to see this. P.S. We bought a Lambo. So keep going, bro. We'll talk soon. Peace.
Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Bryson. This is the Bryson Everyday Project podcast. This podcast is a little bit different than other ones out there. Here, I only focus on documentation. I don't focus on quality or being professional or being entertaining. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I'd love for you to stick around and give the show a listen. You can also follow me on Instagram at BRQUSE. Thank you so much. Here's the show. All right, what's up? Today is Saturday, September 6th, 2025. I didn't say October, hell yeah. And it's 10:02. And all right, so today, I honestly, today was shitty. Today sucked ass. And coincidentally, I slept the fuck in. I don't know if I said that yesterday on the show, but I didn't end up going to bed till about 1 o'clock. And yeah, so I was like, yeah, I'm going to turn on my alarm. I'm going to sleep. Because rather than only getting 4.5 hours of sleep, or I guess 4 hours of sleep, I wanted to just sleep in, whatever. It's Saturday, so Lexi not being here, I guess I had more time to work on stuff because she is in California. So there was no date night. So did have more time to work, which is cool. But I slept in, woke up around 8-ish, and then I just fell back asleep. And I didn't get out of bed until 11. And I felt, rested. I felt good in that regard. But mentally, I felt like shit because at 11 a.m., that's almost 6 hours worth of work for me. That's just gone. I don't get that. Now, yes, I know I need rest. I get it. But, to just think about 6 hours being gone, that's kind of a shitty thought. And it wasn't necessarily the thought that was making me feel like shit. It was just like, well, I'm scheduled, I put on my calendar to work for Dawson for 8 hours on Saturdays. So I would go from 8 to 4 because now it's 11. It's going to be 11 to 7 and shitty because it's kind of like the whole day. So I was just feeling really shitty today. Just not good. Just mentally, I was just, in my head about everything. I'm like, dude, people are even going to want this? All this shit. And yeah, I don't know. It was a shitty day. I made a lot of progress though, nonetheless. Dawson, I updated a lot of stuff for him, got some automations rolling, and I pretty much spent the whole day using Make and just learning about it and stuff like that. And there's just things that I don't understand. I don't understand why certain things aren't working. I don't understand why certain things do work. Because I can take one formula in one scenario, it works, and then I just apply it to a different scenario. Nothing is different and it doesn't work. And, I'll figure it out, but it's one thing to, be learning how to do something and then kind of get hints on, oh, okay, so that doesn't work, I got to do this. But it's another thing to just not know at all why anything isn't working or why everything is working. It's so frustrating. So I told myself I would put it down around 9 o'clock, an hour later, here we are, still couldn't get it. And all I'm trying to do is take numbers from a database, total them all up, and get the average of all of them. That's it. And there's something going on because I can't total them, I can't sum them, I can't average them. I can get them and I can see that they exist, but when it comes to looking at the numbers, I absolutely impossible. So I'm not sure what the fuck is going on, but I posted about it in the community again, in the Make community, because I've done it twice. Both times people have given me the answer and it worked great. So I don't know what the fuck I'm missing, but whatever. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get an answer, or maybe I even wake up tomorrow with an answer. That'd be pretty cool. And we'll go from there. But I did do I just learned more today. So figured out an automation to create a row in a database and then also update that same row that was created later in the month, but only update that one. So if I have more than one inside of a database, like September, October, November, that's 3. It would only update the November one if the month is November, or if the month is October, it would update the October one, so on and so forth. And then I, calculated churn and retention and growth and net growth, how many clients we got, how many clients we lost, starting amount of clients, ending amount of clients, the month. So I did all that, and that's actually a lot of progress for sure. But I'm at a standstill with these fucking automations, dude. They are such a pain in the ass. And I just don't understand. I just don't get it. So it's fine. We'll figure it out. But I don't know. I just don't like that the whole day was kind of... So actually what happened was I just continued. So Dawson wants a lot of these metrics. He texted me bluntly about it and said, hey, we need these metrics exactly. Can we get this going? And I was like, oh, hell yeah. He says, let's fucking go. Thank you. And so because I spent the entire day working on this one thing, I justified that as hours for Dawson. So I sent him a text. I said, hey, dude, I went over on hours today, but it's not a problem. I'll just, work less on Tuesday. It'll even out. We're good. And I said that to kind of put it out there like, hey, Tuesday, I'm scheduled to work 6 hours, but I'm going to work less now. So it's going to be an even shorter shift. So don't expect much. That's the whole idea. So worked an extra 2 hours. So I pretty much went from like 11:30, to 9:30. And because now it's 10:08. So it's pretty much my day. And I just think it was the feeling of sleeping in and just getting such a late start to the day. Now, again, I felt rested. I feel great. I am going to go to bed now. I'm going to try at least because I got I guess tomorrow is a Sunday, so I have more time to do stuff. But anyway, I don't know, man. It was a weird fucking day for me. And I don't like that at all. Don't appreciate it. As many times as I can tell myself that the bad days are required, to enjoy the good days. As many times as I tell myself that, I always forget. And then when I start thinking about it again, I guess I'm reminded and then I feel better. But I always forget until I really, it's never like, oh, it's a shitty day. Well, it's okay because it's how I have a good day. I just never think that in the moment. It's just always, I don't know. I feel like I'm an extremely positive person, and I feel like I'm quick to solve any kind of issue, I guess, with logic. I guess, for myself, maybe others, Like, for example, and maybe I shouldn't share this, but Mina's girlfriend got in a car accident, or his wife, I should say, got in a car accident. She's fine. The car is fucked. And my first thought is like, dude, it could have been so much worse. She could have gotten hurt. She could have broken a limb. She could have passed away. So, you got lucky. How bad could it be if she's fine and the car's realistically speaking, nothing happened. You just lost the car. You could have lost your wife. So it's kind of, in my mind, it just nullifies it. It's like, well, the worst thing that could have happened didn't happen. So all is well. Because I always default to thinking it could have been way worse. But how much worse could it have been if his wife did pass away? That's probably as bad as it can get. So yeah, it could just always be so much worse, and it wasn't. So thank goodness. So let's just shut the fuck up about it. That's how, in my head, that's how I feel about it. With my own shit too. So yeah, whatever. What do people call that shit now? Toxic positivity? The fuck do you mean with that, dude? Toxic positivity? So yeah, I spent the whole day in Make in Notion, and it was a lot of fun. Despite having a shitty day, I was in kind of a groove towards the end of the day, and it honestly made me feel like, I don't know why this came to mind, like I was 12 years old playing RuneScape. Just the excitement that I had trying to build stuff and finally getting certain things to work, not even understanding why they work, but getting them to work. And, just quiet, not even listening to music. And yeah, just enjoying it. So I don't know. Made me feel like I was a little kid, which is cool, I guess. I don't know if I have anything else to say, to be honest. This might be the end of the show. I still haven't even uploaded yesterday's show, so I'm gonna do 2 shows tonight, or upload the other one and then upload this one, obviously. But oh yeah. Anyway, I think that's it. That's all I got today. So thanks for listening. I'll talk to you later. Peace out.